Some leaders are born to change the world. Some are destined to leave an indelible mark on history. And then, there's Sir Ratan Tata, a man whose name is synonymous with integrity, vision, and an unwavering commitment to progress. Today, we dive deep into the career of one of the most respected business icons of our time. A man who led with purpose, built an empire, and changed the way we think about business and philanthropy. We'll take a closer look at the extraordinary career of Sir Ratan Tata, his rise to prominence, the challenges he faced, and the incredible legacy he continues to build. Born in 1937 into one of India's most influential business families, Ratan Tata was destined for greatness. But he wasn't just going to follow in his ancestors' footsteps, he was ready to chart his own course, driven by the principles of excellence and integrity. Before stepping into the business world, Ratan Tata honed his leadership skills at Cornell University in the United States, where he studied architecture and structural engineering. His education shaped his approach to business, pragmatic, focused on the long term, and deeply rooted in a sense of responsibility. In 1962, at just 25 years old, Ratan Tata joined the Tata Group, starting at the very bottom, working on the shop floor of Tata Steel in Jamshedpur. But it wasn't until 1991 that Ratan Tata truly began to shape the destiny of the Tata Group. When he was appointed chairman, India was on the brink of a new economic era, one marked by liberalization and globalization. The country was opening up to the world, and Ratan Tata was ready to take the Tata Group with it. Under his leadership, the Tata Group took bold steps into the global marketplace. One of the most iconic moments of his career came with the acquisition of Tetley Tea in 2000, making Tata Tea one of the world's largest tea companies. But Ratan Tata wasn't stopping there. In 2008, he shocked the business world by acquiring two iconic British brands, Jaguar and Land Rover, for $2.3 billion. This move not only transformed Tata Motors into a global player but also proved Ratan Tata's vision to position the Tata Group as a truly international conglomerate. Another hallmark of Ratan Tata's career was his relentless focus on innovation. In 2008, he introduced the Tata Nano, a car designed to be the world's most affordable vehicle. The Nano was a bold experiment to put the dream of car ownership within reach of millions of Indians. Although it faced challenges in the market, the Nano's ambition reflected Tata's deep commitment to the Indian middle class. Despite his global ventures, Ratan Tata's true passion remained with the people of India. The Tata Group, under his leadership, continued to be a beacon of corporate responsibility. The company consistently directed a significant portion of its profits to charitable causes, including healthcare, education, rural development, and disaster relief. Ratan Tata's leadership was truly tested during the 2008 Mumbai attacks. As the Taj Hotel was besieged by terrorists, Ratan Tata's concern was not just for the business but for the safety of his employees and the victims. He personally oversaw relief efforts, ensuring that those affected were taken care of, and he honored the bravery of his staff. In 2012, after 21 years at the helm, Ratan Tata stepped down as the chairman of the Tata Group, handing over the reins to Cyrus Mistry. Under his leadership, the group grew exponentially, but Ratan Tata's focus was always on sustainable growth, ethical leadership, and the betterment of society. Even after retiring from the corporate world, Ratan Tata remains an influential figure. He continues to support a wide range of causes through the Tata Trusts, investing in initiatives that drive social change, innovation, and progress. Whether through healthcare, education, or entrepreneurship, Ratan Tata's vision for a better India and a better world continues to inspire future generations. Ratan Tata's career is a testament to what can be achieved when business meets integrity, vision, and a genuine desire to make the world a better place. From a small factory floor in Jamshedpur to leading one of India's most powerful conglomerates, Ratan Tata's journey is not just about business success, it's about building a legacy that will last for generations to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. And let us know in the comments, what part of Sir Ratan Tata's career do you find most inspiring?